Hey guys, we're going to look at a kindergarten example of a Canvas course. This is just a very simplified way of getting information and your agendas for the week into your Canvas, particularly for kindergarten first and second grade. So this is Jackson's kindergarten homepage. All 4 teachers are put into this course so they can add their agendas and share that responsibility. So they have all 4 teachers listed here, and as you scroll down, there are buttons for their literacy and math agendas, and then the previous week's agendas if a student needs to go back to the previous week or weeks. So to create this home page, they would have just hit Edit and use those CityLab tools. So if this is something that you would want to create, I suggest you going back to our video reviewing the CityLab tools and creating a template from there. So if I click on literacy, it just brings up an agenda page, and it's a weekly agenda, so they have everything that they need on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday listed here. Any videos from last year that were created are embedded, and even on the math agenda, if we go back, they have investigation games linked as well. So they do not, and I know in 3, 4, 5 we tend to think in modules. This course page or course focuses just on pages. So if I wanted to go back and look at all the pages I've created, they are listed here. So you can see that the different teachers can edit and add to the course as well. So very simple, only having one page where everything is linked. So they have a home page, a literacy page, and a math page. So we just wanted to give you a look at a different way you could build your Canvas. And if you're 3, 4, 5 as well and you want to have a weekly agenda like this, this is an example of how Jackson Kindergarten creates or uses their course for their weekly Canvas agendas. If you have any particular questions about how this course is set up, just let me know and I can check with kindergarten at Jackson and see if they have a quick template that we could use to help get any grade levels at our school set up with a weekly agenda similar to theirs.